everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be looking at the problem of how to check whether a number is even or odd. So before diving into the problem, one basic maths I would like to share. See, when we divide any integer by any integer, how to determine what is the quotient and what is the remainder. Like in our traditional way, we divide 6 4 the 24 and our remainder is 3, right? So in general we know that this is our question and this is our remainder. So in programming the quotient is denoted by this symbol and remainder is denoted by modulo operator. This is called modulo operator. Simple. If I now say 27 modulo 6, the answer will be 3. Simple. And 27 by 6, simple quotient, that is 4. So let's start the problem. We have to check whether a number is even or odd. So we will be inputting only one integer and we have to check whether it's number is even or odd. So we can do this by if else. So let's start our program. Void, what I am writing now, or void means simply means return nothing. Just do, I'm passing the value n and within that function only we have to do the logic. If I say integer, then I have to return a value that is of integer type. See, one thing, if I divide 2 by 12, that means 2 6 ja, here we get 0. And again, if I take another example, that is 18, 3 6 ja, 18, that is 0. So what we can, as from the both the examples, what we can say, that is 12, yes, correct, 12 modular 2 is equal to 0. And from the second example, we can say 18 modular, that is remainder. Modular means remainder, simply. 3 is equal to 0. So we can directly match our logic, that is if a number is even, then the remainder will be zero, absolutely zero. So what we can mention in our if statement, that is if n modular 2, that is n is the input we are giving from the keyboard, that is the standard input. If it is equal to 0, simply print even number, else print odd number. So let's run our program. So enter number. If I say 57, so the 57 is an odd number, right? So the output should be odd number. Yes. So let us take another input. Let us say 104. The 104 is 104 is even number, so it should print even number. Absolutely, is running fine. So let's run this program. Try this program on in online platform. So problem statement. See, one tip I want to give: whenever you face any online interview or assessment problem, first read the problem statement. If you are not understanding, read it twice, thrice, number of times you read until you get the logic. Given a positive integer n, determine whether it's even or odd. So input n equal to 1, 1 is 1, it's odd number. So n equal to 2, even number. You don't need to read input or print anything. Your task is to just complete the function, that is string odd even, which takes integer n, that is integer and integer type, and return even if the number is even and odd if the number is odd. So here we simply implement our logic, that is if n modulo 2 equal to 0, that is remainder equal to 0, remainder equal to 0, just we have to return even. That's it. Nothing else, return odd. Because it's obvious now, if the remainder is not 0, the number is odd. So let's compile our program. So let's submit. Test cases are being tested. So yeah, problem is solved successfully. So like this we approach a problem solve. First read the problem statement, then dry run the code. As I dry runs means, what do we mean by dry run? Dry run simply means the code that you have written, you try to run it in your page, that is pen and paper method, so that we can get the flow of the program. Because if you get the flow of the program, then you can easily solve any types of problem, either it's hard or very hard problem. At least you can approach to that problem. So dry run the code and lastly you submit it. So the problem is solved successfully. So if you really like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and please share it with your friends. Thank you.